Hello little dreamers. Have you ever wondered about those exciting adventures that happen when you close your eyes and drift off to sleep? They're called dreams, and in this enchanting journey, we'll delve into the marvelous world of dreams together, learning all about their history and their incredible importance. Dreams are like fantastic stories that play inside your mind while you're fast asleep. These stories can be funny, thrilling, or even a little bit spooky. Just like how you create adventures with your toys, your brain creates adventures for you when you sleep. A super long time ago, even before there were colorful dinosaurs or big buildings, people started having dreams. It's so long ago that we don't have an exact date, like a birthday, for dreams. They've just always been a part of being human. Before dinosaurs roamed the earth, our ancient ancestors experienced dreams. They might not have understood them like we do today, but they noticed that when they closed their eyes at night, they saw strange and wonderful things inside their minds. Those were the very first dreams. In ancient times, people believed that dreams were special messages from the gods. They thought dreams could help predict the future or make important decisions. They even had wise dream interpreters called one-eyed critics to help them understand their dreams' hidden meanings. Here's a fun fact for you: some of the most amazing inventions and brilliant ideas came from dreams. Things like the sewing machine and the theory of relativity were inspired by dreams. Dreams are not only exciting but also incredibly creative and helpful. As time rolled on, people's ideas about dreams evolved. The ancient Egyptians wrote down their dreams on papyrus scrolls, and the Greeks had special temples where they went to have mystical dream experiences. Even famous historical figures, like Julius Caesar and Abraham Lincoln, kept records of their dreams. In more recent times, smart folks like Sigmund Freud and Carl Jung started to study dreams scientifically. They found out that dreams can show us what's going on in our hearts and minds. Dreams are like secret messages from our own thoughts and feelings. When you dream, your brain is super busy, just like when you're awake. It's like a magical theater inside your head, where your brain is the director, actors, and the audience all at once. It uses your memories and feelings to put on these incredible dream shows. Dreams happen during a special stage of sleep called REM, rapid eye movement. That's when your eyes move quickly behind your closed eyelids, and your brain is super active. Most of your exciting dream adventures occur during this stage. Scientists believe that dreaming helps us learn and solve problems. So, when you dream about something you're learning or thinking about, your brain is like a superhero helping you understand it even better. Dreams come in all shapes and sizes. Sweet dreams are the ones that make you feel warm and cozy, while nightmares can be a little scary. But remember, it's like a movie in your head, and you're the brave hero who can change the story. You can become a dream explorer too. Try keeping a dream journal near your bed. When you wake up, write or draw what you remember about your dreams. It's like capturing twinkling stars in a jar, and you can look back at them later, just like flipping through a storybook. Did you know that everyone dreams, including animals? Even though we can't see each other's dreams, they're a magical part of being human. You can ask your friends and family about their dreams and share your own adventures too. Dreams are like a playground for your imagination, where you can be a superhero, a dragon tamer, or even an astronaut exploring space. They remind us that our imagination knows no bounds and can take us on extraordinary journeys. Sometimes when you go to sleep and have dreams, you might notice that the same people or characters show up in your dreams again and again. That's kind of like having your dream friends or dream actors. Let's talk about why this happens in a way that's easy to understand. Just like you have friends to play with during the day, your brain has its own special friends that come out to play in your dreams at night. These dream friends can be people you know, like mommy, daddy, or your best friend, or even characters from your favorite stories, like superheroes or cartoon pals. Sometimes, your dreams invite these special friends because they bring out strong feelings in you. Maybe they make you really happy, excited, or even a little scared. Your dreams want to explore and understand these feelings, so they call on your dream friends to help. Imagine if you were learning to ride a bike or play a new game. You might want to practice it over and over until you get really good at it, right? Well, your dreams do something similar. They like to practice different situations and stories with your dream friends to help you learn and grow. Your brain is like a magical storyteller, and it uses your memories and imagination to create dreams. So, When you dream about the same people or characters, it's because your brain thinks they're interesting and wants to keep telling stories with them. These dream friends can also be like friendly helpers. They might give you ideas, show you things you like, or even help you figure out stuff you're curious about. So, don't be surprised if you see the same friends in your dreams sometimes. It's just your brain's way of having fun adventures with the characters it loves the most. Dreamland is your own special place where anything can happen, and you get to be the star of the show. And there you have it, little dreamer. Dreams are like bedtime stories your brain tells you while you sleep, filled with wonder and adventure. They've been a part of human history for a very long time, and they're a special way your brain helps you learn, grow, and have fun even when you're sleeping. So, off to Dreamland you go, where your nights are filled with enchanting adventures. Sleep tight and sweet dreams. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like, subscribe buttons and the notification bell so you can join the Simplify squad. Thanks for watching.